Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's my favorite day of the month. I just got my Bargain Bead Box for the month of January, and looks like other people, of course, got it before I did. I am totally across the country, so I get it. I get that other people get it before me, but I've been seeing videos for the last couple days, and I've seen the titles. I won't watch them because I don't want to be surprised. I mean, I want to be surprised. I don't want to be spoiled. So what it says this month, Bargain Bead Box, roses are pink. So happy new year. This month's collection features a romantic palette of rose gold and delicate pink hues, hand carved rose quartz flowers combined with Rotonite and quartz gemstones, plus sparkling crystals and bright glass flowers. Rose gold findings and scrolling filigree motifs complete the package. Of course, every month they send out a 30% off coupon if you're part of their subscription. And if you are interested in signing up, please click the link below that I've included. So I'm going to get this organized. And okay, number one is, let's see what my paper says. 5-gram bag of 21 gauge 6mm steel jump rings, and it's in the rose gold. So I really haven't used a lot of rose gold findings because I found that they tend to tarnish a lot faster than just about any other finish. And I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to see, guys, reply in the comments below in your past boxes if you've used the rose gold, has it tarnished? Because I have a big bucket of this stuff that I've gotten from them, but I tend not to buy it from anybody else or from them. I just get it in the monthly subscriptions because I don't like how it tarnishes. Let me know what you've experienced. We have a 2-piece 36 by 29mm scrolled chandelier finding, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are pretty. They're very shiny. These are very pretty. Oh, that was just the heat from my fingers. I thought it was messed up. Sorry, Goldie just rampaged out of here with her donut, and she's squeaking like crazy, and I think it's the cutest thing. So if you hear her in the background, that's what that is. She's sat idly by all day while I was working, and I kind of tricked her, took her outside, and then came back here and started filming. So she's kind of going a little crazy. But anyway, these are really cute. I think they're pretty. I like the scroll work in there. Number 3, 10.5-inch strand of 6mm Bicone beads, vintage peach. These are really pretty, like gorgeous. I love these. I would certainly pick these out myself if I saw them in the store. I just love peach. They're very clear, nice quality. She keeps squeaking, and it's super cute. Okay, those are really pretty. I like those a lot. Number 4, 15-inch strand 6mm rose quartz round gemstone beads. I love that they include gemstones in their monthly boxes. Just about every single one at least has one thing that's gemstones, and I just love that. These are really pretty, and I always love having them on hand. She loves that stinking donut. Okay, number 5 is a 7.5-inch strand, 8 by 6mm crystal Rondelle beads, pink jade AB. Ooh, these look like candy. They look like cotton candy to me. Oh, I love that little. You know what? Actually, these are really pretty. However, this isn't the best AB finish I've ever seen. It's a little scratched up. It could be a better quality there, but you know, if I'm using this on personal jewelry, that's fine. I would not use these in jewelry that I was going to sell. Maybe probably wouldn't even make jewelry for somebody else using those beads, but they're pretty for personal use. Number 6, 1 meter 3mm steel Rollo chain, rose gold finish, lead and nickel free. I love the Rollo chain. It's like one of my favorite chains. It's just because it's sturdy and you could do a lot with it. Number 7, 3 sets, 20.5mm hook and eye clasps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I like toggles better than hook and eye because sometimes if you're not careful, they can get See, like this one, there's no way the hook can get through the eye because it's a little too close. But if you pull it further out, you have to be careful how far you pull it out because it can be a little too loose and then your necklace won't stay clasped. This is a really pretty hook and eye clasp. I will say I really like the quality of the findings that I've seen so far. It's just I'm not sure that the finish will stay nice like that. Number 8, 10-gram bag of 18 by 13 millimeter floral medallion links, lead, nickel, cadmium free. And the good thing is, if you don't like the finish on something, change it. You can use paint, you can use enamel, you can use patina, you can use resin, you can use clay, you can use just about anything. Change it if you don't like it. Now, I have and this is not bragging or anything, I have so many charms and links. I'm in the middle of trying to purge some and organize them that I probably won't get to changing these around anytime soon unless I made it a goal, but the option is there. Number 9, 51 millimeter filigree scrolled medallion focal, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, I mean, I guess it could go like that if you wanted to. You could put a jump ring there, but it kind of looks like a weirdly proportionate Mickey. Anyway, I think it's this way. It's this way. It's much more detailed on this side, although that side's pretty too. So very pretty. Again, it's that bright copper that they call rose gold. We'll see how it holds up. Number 10, 25 piece, 20 millimeter. Oh, that's wrong. This is number 11. Where's number 10? Okay. Oh boy, here we go. 25 piece, 20 millimeter brass head pin with 1.5 millimeter ball, rose gold finish. What am I gonna do with these? I can make a couple charms. These are, I mean, you can literally bend these like so easily with your finger. These are not the quality head pins that I would go for. These are probably gonna go in a drawer or just in with the rest of my rose gold stuff that I don't already use. These aren't what I'm looking for in a subscription. That's enough about that. Number 11 is a 10-gram bag of 4 millimeter swirled Rondelle spacer beads. These are cute. It's a nice color. I'm not going to open it because you guys know they'll be all over the floor, even though I have a bead mat. Number 12, 10-piece strand, 10 millimeter dyed quartz gemstone beads, frosted coral. These are gorgeous. I just got the dyed quartz gemstone beads from their shop that were the blue, frosted blue mint, and these are beautiful. And I like those a lot too. So those are really gorgeous. Sad it's only 10 pieces. Number 13 is a 7-inch strand of 3.5 millimeter finely faceted Rotonite gemstone beads. I'm loving some Rotonite. It's coming up more frequently. And I just got a rhodochrosite pendant in the mail too, which is similar. It's a little brighter pink. These are gorgeous. These are some of my favorite things that I've already unboxed from this box. These are really pretty. I just love those facets. Wow, that's stunning. I just love when they send you just nice quality beads. Really nice quality beads. Not broken beads, not plastic beads, but really nice quality. 14, 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter rose quartz round gemstone beads. It's really nice that these will coordinate with those 6 millimeter gemstone beads that we got. I feel like we got these last year too, but I'm okay with it because I'll use them. If I don't use them, it just helps my stash. I love them. They're so pretty. Such a good pink. That was number 14. Number 15 is a 10-piece, 8.5 millimeter pressed glass flower beads, magenta. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty. I used to use these in earrings and bracelets when I used to sell on Etsy. However, mine were more cranberry, not this bright. These are really pretty. I love check flowers. I love check beads, but I love check flowers. Those are really nice. Number 16, 10-piece 9 millimeter cutout round bead caps, rose gold finish. And you can kind of see in these are already starting to get that tarnish finish. They're a different color than everything else. So kind of points it out. And I just got these in the mail. They're already a different color. They're not as bright. Number 17 is a 7.5 inch strand of 4.3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, almond, bisque, luster. Oh, that's a color I haven't heard before. These are really nice. These are really pretty. Look how glittery they are. I love that. Good color. Really good color. I'm impressed with most of this box today. Well, at least the beads from this box. With all, except for the AB coating on these, I think all these beads are really nice. Number 18, well, this is cool. Approximately 35 to 37 millimeter hand-carved rose quartz gemstone pendant. So a hand-carved rose quartz rose. That's really pretty. And that'll go right in my focal drawer. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you've seen that I've been organizing, and I have a really great new way of organizing my focals. Eventually we'll see videos on my channel, but not anytime soon. And then number 19, last but not least, two-piece 13 to 14 millimeter hand-carved rose quartz gemstone flower beads. These are really pretty. Ooh, I like that. These don't look like I expected them to be roses, but they're like cute little pansies or daisies or posies, I guess. These are really pretty. Very sweet. Very sweet. Okay, so my favorites from this box are absolutely this guy right here. And actually, some people might be upset with this inclusion here, but I think the imperfection of it makes it perfect. I really like that. I really like these little flowers. Absolutely love the Rotonite. And love the dyed quartz. And these peach crystals. So those were my favorites from today. However, I really, really, really liked most of the beads. The metals, it remains to be seen if they will hold up over time. Like I said, if you guys have feedback about that, let me know, because my thought process is they tarnish much more quickly than anything else. But again, I don't use them because I think that they're going to tarnish. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you've thought about this box. And again, if you're interested in signing up for a Bargain Bead Box, check out the link below. I have a referral link for you. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I got a cute video for you. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Can you say hi to all your fans? They love you. I love you too. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Happy Sunday. You are so sweet. I love you. Yes, I do.